Hello and welcome back to our new video. In this video I'll show you how to log in in this video I'll show you how to log into your class of client. For that, just tap on this gear buttons, that's our setting, and tap on this section. And now we have to tap on this one, and now you have to tap on login to Supercell ID, and you have to enter your email over here. And after that, tap on send email, and they will send you a verification email on your Gmail account. You have to go and check it from your, and you have to go and copy from your Gmail. And after copying, just paste it over here and tap on submit button and tap on yes login, and it will take some times, and it will ask you to, and it will show you this prompt. Tap on agree button after you read their privacy policy, and you have to enter your age over here. Tap on tick button, and that is how you can log into your Clash of Clans account. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.